Hello friends, today we are going to talk about open a page action in Salesforce, which is part of Salesforce Summer 26 release. So it will allow users for seamless navigation to Salesforce record and or external URLs, right? So earlier this component was not available before Summer 26 release, and for that we need to do sort of customization using LWC or Aura component. So I have already tutorials on those, like we need to create a lightning web component, and from our screen flow we just need to pass record ID, for example case record ID, to navigate to the newly created case record, right? So now those customizations are not needed from Summer 26 release. So there is already a inbuilt component will be available. For example, if I just search from the add element, in here we will find this open a page action, right? So open a page action, we can select these are the two options: Salesforce record page and external web page. These are the two options available. So by selecting a page type, record page or external URL, and choosing the destination behavior, new browser window or new lightning console tab, we can choose. For example, if I just select Salesforce record page, then we just need to provide the record ID and object name, and we just need to provide where to open the page. Like for example, there are three options: new browser tab, new browser window, or new lightning console tab. And we can configure the view mode as well when we are navigating to a particular record. So I'm going to talk about these scenarios. So let me just let me just go through you high level of the flow, like for what is the flow is doing this. So this is a screen flow. So in the screen flow I have created a simple record variable, which is nothing but a lead record variable. And if I if I just open the record variable, so this is a data type of record and object lead, and I'm just using those record variable in the screen one element, and in here just capturing few of the necessary fields to create a lead record. For example, name, then we need company, status, and lead source. So after taking all the inputs, we can just create the lead record by using a create record element, right? So in here we are just choosing create a record from these values, and we are choosing like from a record variable and passing the record variable lead record var, right? Now we just need to configure this open a page action, and in here in set input values we just need to select Salesforce record page. For the time being, for the use case one, I'll just select this one, and in the next use case we are going to see like how to configure this external web page as well. So let me just choose this Salesforce record page, and the record ID would be this our record variable dot id. So this is how we can just pass the record id. And the object name, so object name is nothing but the API name of the record id subject. So what is the record id? So this is a lead record id, right? So we need to mention the lead object, and this needs to be the um, lead object API name, not like labels, right? So if you are using a custom object, then be sure to append double underscore c after the end of the object name, right? So we can just configure the view mode as well. We can just choose edit as well, and where to open the page we can just select like new browser tab would be fine for our use case, right? So and in the advanced options there are no options such as. So after configuring this many simple steps, we can just save the flow, and I can just activate the flow. So now let me just go to the Salesforce record page, one lead record page. I will just edit the page, and I'll just add the flow component in the record page itself. So let me remove the earlier component. So in the components we just need to search for flow, and we just need to drag and drop this component, and in here we just need to search for our flow name. Our flow name is open a page action in flow, right? So So we can see our flow name, and I can just simply save the flow. So we can just need to back to the record page. So I'll just create a new lead record. So for example, Mr. Navigation, for example, summer 26, company lead, and lead status would be like working, and lead source partner. So let me just click on next, and on clicking on next we should be navigate to the new record page, right? So we can see that it is getting navigated to newly created record, and we would seeing this as a edit since we have selected the view mode as edit, right? So if we select the view mode as view, so it will just open the record detail page actually of the read. So since we have made the configuration as view mode as edit, so this directly opens as a edit page, right? So you can just simply cancel that one. So, and if I just, for your example, if I just make it to view, and let me just save as new version, and let me just activate again. So I'll just go to the lead record, and I'll let me just create a new lead record. Let me just hard refresh another time, and let me just create a new lead record. New lead navigation 2.0. Let me just put company as test, status as new, and lead source as other. Let me just click on next, and we can see that we are getting navigated to the newly created lead record page. And in the record page now we are seeing in a view mode, not a edit mode, since we have configured and updated the view mode as view, right? So this is how we can just simply configure this for record page type of Salesforce record page. Now let me just update the page type to external web page, right? So we want to navigate to a external website. For example, in the external website we can just provide any website. For the timing I'll just provide my channel URL, my YouTube channel URL. So in here I'll just select the page type as external web page, and in here I can just put the channel URL. I can just put the URL, right? So we just need to provide the full address of the web page to open. For example, https, then colon double font slash, then www dot this is how we can just need to mention our full address page, right? We enter address of the web page, and where to open the page we can select like three options: new browser tab, new browser window, or new lightning console tab. For the timing let me just select this new browser window, so we'll see this page is opening in a new window rather than a new tab, right? So let me just create a new version, and let me just activate the flow, and this is activated. Let me just hard refresh the page, and let me just create a new record. So Mr. Navigate YouTube nav 3.0 company test, and lead status as working, lead source for example other, and let me just click on next. And we could see that this is opening in a new window, right, rather than a new tab, and we are seeing my YouTube channel is now being visible. So this is how we can just use our uh, open a page action which is part of summer 26 release in our screen flow, rather than customizing the stuffs, right? So earlier we have to do with lightning web component or aura component. Now it is completely within Salesforce standard actions. We just need to configure simple page types, and we just need to configure URL or how to open the record. We can configure the view mode as well, and where to open the page we can also configure, right? So that's all for today's demo. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I will be adding more tutorials on Salesforce Omni Studio, Data Cloud, Agentforce topics. So please stay tuned. And if you like this video, please do consider to take membership into my channel. That will motivate me to create more technical videos for you. Thanks for watching.